मजीद ताज़ा खबरों और अहम अपडेट्स के लिए वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। आइए अब हम खबर पर नजर डालते हैं। कर्नाटक की CMA की जानिब से 22 अगस्त 2026 को बेंगलुरु के अब्बास खान कॉलेज फॉर वुमेन में डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल बॉक्सिंग मुकाबले का इनेकाद किया गया। ये मुकाबला कॉलेज के 50 साल मुकम्मल होने की तकरीबात के सिलसिले में मुनक्कद किया गया। मुकाबले में जिला भर से नौजवान बॉक्सर्स ने हिस्सा लिया और खिलाड़ियों को अपनी सलाहियतों का मुजाहरा करने और डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पर मुकाबला करने का मौका मिला।
The participation is more important and the victory will follow. I think it's very important that the children have to practice a lot on this, and our students have performed very well, and as we just said a couple of minutes ago, that it's very, very important that an active mind, a healthy body and academics both go hand in hand. So there can only be one winner, but participation is very, very important for all, and I think this is the spirit, and I wish all the students and participants all the very best here. The arrangements are excellent, and as our chief guest, the deputy director said, he would like to continue with this venue for the next 10 years. So I think I take that as a compliment for Abbas Khan College, its faculty and its management, who have done a wonderful job in presenting this event. And I wish this event all the very success.
I participate in boxing national level, district level, and national. I got national level boxing championship. I have got many. I have opportunity to go national.
So past how many years you're practicing?
I am practicing from 4 years.
So as a girl, you are getting the opportunity to go to the ring and fight. So how do you feel?
I feel very happy and to be bold.
Okay, how is your family's response when you said that you have to choose this sport? How did they respond?
First they said you can't do because girls because then they agreed ma.
ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಯ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಬ್ಬಾಸ್ ಖಾನ್ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಆಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಬಾಲಕ ಬಾಲಿಕೆಯರ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತಸದ ವಿಷಯ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಯ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು, ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು, ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ತುಂಬ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಹುರುಪಿನಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 425 ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 1,50,000 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಅಬ್ಬಾಸ್ ಖಾನ್ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಭಾಳ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ವಾತಾವರಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಸಂತಸದ ವಿಷಯ. ಭಾಳ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾದಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ವೆನ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಸಿಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಆಶಿಸ್ತಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಚಾಲನೆಗೊಂಡಿದೆ.
Myself Ifra Khan and I am from Abbas Khan College. I am participating in district level competition and all. College is very good. They are providing us so many facilities, not only in sports, in education also. In sports there are many facilities in this college.
So how this kind of competition will encourage you for the future?
It is too helpful for our future and all, and teachers also are so supportive. They will encourage us, not but they scold, but their words will be like we should say them that we are good.
For past how many years you're practicing boxing?
I am practicing from 1.5 years past.
Have you won any gold medal?
Yes, I have cleared 2 nationals and all. Club matches and all. I got many silver and gold medals also, even bronze and all.
बॉक्सिंग का इस बार CMA से बेंगलोर साउथ से पूरा 300 कॉलेजेस से उसमें 125 बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट कर रही. ये फर्स्ट टाइम ये इवेंट बॉक्सिंग का, हमारे दूसरे इवेंट चलते रहते हैं स्पोर्ट्स के, लेकिन ये फर्स्ट टाइम माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है, बहुत अच्छा है. इसे सब इनक्रेज करो तो यूथ्स को एक बहुत अच्छा फ़ायदा होता है इंशाल्लाह. और दूसरे स्पोर्ट्स में भी हमारे बच्चे अच्छा ये कर लेते हैं. और खुशी की बात यह तो हमारी कॉलेज के 3 बच्चे ऑलरेडी जीत को गए थे. बहुत खुशी हुई सुनको। मैं ज़रा लेट हुआ आने, माशाल्लाह। मैं एजुकेशन, मैं रहमान परवेज़ बोल को मैं एजुकेशन कमेटी का कन्वेनर है। बहुत खुशी हुई। इंशाल्लाह इसके बाद दूसरे स्पोर्ट्स भी हमें लोग करेंगे। माशाल्लाह जो गर्ल्स हमारे से बॉयज़ से ज़्यादा फॉरवर्ड हैं, मेहनत में, काम में, स्पोर्ट्स में, हर चीज़ में। गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट भी हमारे गर्ल्स कहते हैं, एशियन कप कहते लेको को ही। इंशाल्लाह ये इवेंट्स करते रहेंगे। इंशाल्लाह हमारे बेको बच्चे हमारी कॉलेज के भी और साउथ हमारे बैंक कर्नाटक से भी बच्चों को हमें एशिया कप को भी भेजेंगे इंशाल्लाह।
I have won gold over here. I have went to finals and I won gold, and I'm very happy today to compete in this tournament. And I'm very thankful for thankful for Abbas Khan PU College that to give me that great opportunity. I'm very thankful for even my college.
So does your family support for this?
Yeah, a lot. My dad is a wrestler. He's a national player wrestler.
Last how many years you're practicing?
When I was a kid, from then I used to practice.
Okay. So there is a taboo that they say boxing is for men. So you have participated and you have won the gold medal.
Yeah.
So how do you feel?
I feel so great because from years women used to not play it, and today if they are playing and showing it very great, they have got a lot of goals for women, and I'm very happy for them also.
Today is a very big event in our college and also for our management members. We are happy to see the participants here. More than 100 colleges are going to participate today. They are very happy, and also our students, even from our college, around 17 students in different categories they are going to participate, and from many colleges they have come here to encourage them, to motivate them, and this is a big achievement actually for us.
What's your advice to the
Competitors are very good luck for them, and it is not only the competition which has organized for the first time here. Every year we are going to organize here, and also from our college, they had been to other tournaments also. There also they have won gold medals, silver medals, and also bronze medals. We are very happy to know that our students from our community, they are coming up.
So the school has been run for past 50 years.
Yes, more than 50 years, 51 year. This is 51th year running.
From Abbas Khan PU College, the college is giving us a facilities of boxing in sports, everything. It is a wonderful college. We are, every girl must be a part of sports, and it is so good participating in boxing. We are so it feels like building a confidence every day in my coaching and everything, and I am so lucky to have a teachers here. I'm very lucky to have a supportive teachers like Rubin ma'am, Sumaya ma'am, and our principal Aisha Rukhsar ma'am. They are supporting us in sports, also the education, everything, and that's it. Thank you.
So past how many years you're practicing boxing?
I'm practicing from past 1 year.
So you're going to participate?
Yeah.
And previously you have won something. Tell about
I have won silver medal in Chennai, and I have won Coimbatore, gold medal in Coimbatore.
I'm very happy to be part of this event. Here more than 100 plus participants, both boys and girls, and 300 colleges. Audience are there from 300 colleges of Bangalore South. And early morning when inaugural was there, addressing students, participants, and other office bearers of other colleges, DDPI Mr. Manoj told that this is the first time in history of Karnataka where a tournament is taking place in a women's college, women's campus, women's college campus. So he complimented Central Muslim Association for this initiative and catering this event where participation of girls is more than 50%. And even from Abbas Khan College, girls previously they won gold, silver, and other medals from neighboring state. Even that will be listed by principal and the coach, organizers here in the team. We have international participant of Olympic participant was here, and from ex-army man was also here. He was very much happy to see this environment, and the ring, he was addressing the ring then he told the standard of the ring is what Olympics use. So once more I compliment Abbas Khan PU College and CMA management for hosting this event. And I have seen the first match itself was won by Abbas Khani and Abbasian. And you know, it's healthy body, healthy mind. Every student should participate, especially minority girls. They should come out, and you know, the environment and the area locality where they come, they don't have basic facility of ground or park. For them, Abbas Khan College and CME has done this very good initiative. I compliment everybody.
From the Kingdom College, the experience here was pretty good. Everyone welcomed us well, the weighing and everything, the checking. It was safe, and I hope everyone plays properly.
Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi L and I am from Swargarani PU College. This is my second time playing the districts for the PU games, and last time I was not able to qualify. I just won my first match and I hope this time I win a gold.
From Diksha CFL PU College, I'm here with my clubmates who train at RBA, Rockbull Academy of Arts. So we're here at Abbas Khan College for Women for our district boxing competition. I've played district before and I've won gold. This time as well, I plan on winning gold with my teammates together, and we can see a lot of medals over here. It makes us very motivated to win, and also the sounds and the atmosphere is very nice. Makes us want to box more and more.
So what's the message to the girls outside?
Boxing is not a male sport, it's a women's sport as well. If you see in the nature, it's the lioness who actually feeds the lion, not the lion who feeds the lioness. So I encourage women to take part in all the sports over here. There is no male dominated sport, female dominated sport. Every sport is for everyone. There is equality everywhere. If you dominate in that sport by your interest, you will surely qualify and you will make your name shine bright.
Like, I feel like to be champion for the next PU colleges, and I'll be winning for the next national medalist, and my target is my national.
So how do you, for past how many years you're practicing?
Actually, it was like 4 years ago.
Okay. For how many competitions that you have won the?
I've played 47 matches, so I won 41. 5 matches I lost.
My name is Sana Taskin and I am from Abbas Khan PU College. This college is the best in the sports. I have got many opportunities in sports, and the boxing is one of the most I love to do. And the boxing, it doesn't breaks you, it builds your new version. So my teachers and my parents, even my father and mother, they supports me a lot in boxing. So I would thank all my coaches, my parents, and who had supported me in everything. I thank them. So that's it.
So when you say boxing is building you, and as a girl we have lot of physical changes that's happening. So how do you overcome and go to the practice?
Because in this generation, the generation people think that boys only are built for boxing. But we are proving ourselves that we have, even the girls can prove better than boys.
So what's your message to the girls out there?
I give that message to the girls. Don't think that you are weak. You are stronger than anyone.
Myself Saida Zoya. I'm from Abbas Khan PU College and I'm from first year arts HEPS. So I'm very excited to the match here. Here conducted a district level match boxing championship in our college. So I'm very excited to play the match. And before this match, I was played in Chennai. There I won the silver, and my experience was very good. And also before Chennai, and also I used to play in Vision Boxing Night, and also I was there, won the silver medal. So I'm really very excited, and also I'm very thankful for my teacher Rubin ma'am, and also my coach Suma ma'am. She was a very great coach, and Rubin ma'am, she was a very good sports director. They both cooperated with me and they supported me. So I'm standing here for playing the district level match.
My daughter Zaina, she is in PUC first year, and she went to Chennai for the first time, and she has got the silver medal. And that too, only 15 days practice she has got, and her coach is coach Sumaya ma'am, and her teacher Rubina ma'am. They encourage her very much. They encourage her because we were not ready to send her as the parents, because we are very much worried about her because her weight was 35 that time. Okay. So we were not ready to. We were not at all ready to send her, but they convinced her and they told her that she has that energetic level to compete with others. Okay. So they told me that she'll be in future she'll be getting the great opportunities so opportunity is the main thing. So
How do you feel you have participated in Chennai and winning the gold medal?
So I'm from Abbas Khan College, and I really appreciate our college who gave us this opportunity to join in boxing. They encouraged us. As being a girl, they never said that you're a girl, you can't do it. They encouraged us that they said it is not for the tournament, it's for your self-defense. And the self-defense is very necessary, as you know what all the things are going. So it was very wonderful. Our coach Sumaya ma'am, our sports department ma'am, Rubin ma'am, they really encouraged us.
बहुत खुशी हो रही है और ये बहुत मेहनती है, यही करके नहीं दूसरी जगह पे जाकर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं और मैं इनके चाहती हूँ उनके माँ बाप इनको और खिलाए और देश का नाम रोशन करें।
ज़्यादातर मुस्लिम तबके में इस तरह के बॉक्सिंग।
इवन मैं भी बॉक्सर हूँ और मैं भी मुस्लिम हूँ। मैं 14 साल से करती हूँ बॉक्सिंग, नेशनल प्लेयर हूँ और स्टेट चैंपियन हूँ और प्रोफेशनल प्लेयर हूँ। तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि जो मैंने सीखा मैं इनको सिखाऊँ और इनको आगे बढ़ाऊँ और इनके अंदर वो हिम्मत है और ये कर दिखा सकते हैं।
अब्बास खान कॉलेज या सीएमए की मैनेजमेंट है किस तरह से काम रहा?
बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है। कुछ बात बता ही नहीं सकती, बहुत अच्छा है।
तो ये आगे का करियर बन सकता है इसमें?
बहुत अच्छा है, करियर बन सकता है इनका।
My international boxer as a international coach, ex retired RB captain. अभी DYS coach, center head coach. अभी मैं सर in few years हम देख रहे इधर बॉक्सिंग में अभी कर्नाटका अभी इम्प्रूव हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ सेक्रेटरी साई सतीश और ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು and the boxing now recently 1 month back first ever nationals gold and best boxer also. Best boxer first time वो लेकर आया हमारा बॉक्सर स्टेट बॉक्सर नायना ಅದು ಒಂದು बिग अचीवमेंट and slowly we start अभी और अभी बॉक्सिंग में इम्प्रूवमेंट है। अभी फर्स्ट टाइम देखिए अभी मैक्सिमम कंट्रीज में एशियन में स्पेशली एशियन कंट्रीज में गर्ल्स बहुत कम है, कंट्रीज में स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ। अभी इंडिया इस टॉप चल रहा है अभी इसमें। अभी स्लोली देखो फर्स्ट टाइम ये गर्ल्स और स्कूल में कॉलेज में कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं, ये मतलब ये बहुत अच्छी मतलब बहुत अच्छा बात है। ये फर्स्ट टाइम कंडक्ट का मतलब है वो भी एक मुस्लिम कॉलेज, हाँ कॉलेज में ये मतलब ये सोच भी नहीं हम ये नहीं किया है। ये फर्स्ट टाइम हो रहा है। ये तो वन ऑफ द हिस्टोरिक एंड ये बाकी अपना सतीश शायद बात करें। थैंक यू।